Decorating Den Interiors. Innovative design solutions that will enhance your living space and make you love your home or office. Whether you need help revitalizing your decor in one room or your entire home, a Decorating Den Interiors design professional can assist. Our extensive product assortment allows us to work with your style and budget. No more running from store to store. At your convenience, we come to your home or office with ideas for custom window treatments, furniture, bedding, wall and floor coverings, lighting, accessories, and more. See why over 1 million customers have chosen Decorating Den Interiors. For your complimentary in-home or office design consultation, contact Decorating Den Interiors today. Decorating Den Interiors, helping you have the home of your dreams.